All right, Professor Cooper here, data visualization. We're going to talk about the magick package and all the things that it can do. Basically, the magick package works with images, but it works with images where you can manipulate a static image. You can add those images to plots that you've made. You can animate the plot or animate the image. Uh, you can make a GIF or GIF. I don't really care how you pronounce it. Um, and lots of other things related to images. We're going to focus on just making GIFs right now, and it's also a really good backup for your animation if GG Animate's not working for some reason, but we're just going to worry about GIFs right now. So first you need to go find some GIFs that you like, and what you're going to do is you're going to edit them and put them together, kind of. And let's pick a website, and I use Giphy here. And I've picked 4, and so I just need the path directory in quotes. So this is kind of like what's going to happen when you start doing data scraping, but we haven't got there yet. So I'm going to go ahead and save them as objects, the path directories. I said HTTP. Okay, now I'm going to use image read. I don't really need this magick underscore or colon image. I can just use image read as long as there's not something overwriting or masking. I'm going to save those as objects now. And now I'm going to show you the 4 individual GIFs that I'm using. Doc Brown from Back to the Future. An A-bomb explosion. A cat filing its nails. And LeBron posterizing some people and being awesome. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to rescale an image. So we're going to work with the bomb. Okay, so you can see in the dimensions here. Here I'm changing the length and the width, and here just the width. So let's look at the difference between that and that. You can see it gets a little bit bigger. This is important because you want your GIFs to be of the same size so that if you're making a transition between one to another, between one and another, there's not this weird scaling issue that you're dealing with. Okay. Reversing an image is a fun way to sort of play with it. So I can take that LeBron image and reverse it. And with a quick concatenate function, we can actually combine them, which is pretty awesome. So I present the dunk bomb, is what I'm calling it. Yeah. You can take individual frames and annotate them. So in the middle of that particular GIF and that get dunk bomb, you can throw the word wow in as LeBron is moving around the court. You would have to replace the frame 30 with this particular frame because this is just the one frame. All right. Let's do some other additions. There's a reason why I chose the ones that I chose. Now I missed a little bit on the editing in terms of reframing the A-bomb, but we can fix that pretty easily. Now to save them, it's really easy. Image underscore right underscore GIF. You call the name of the GIF that you've made, and then you put the path directory where you want it. Let's move on to some different things. There are far too many options with editing the image for me to be able to sit here and go through all of them. Just trust me when I say that there are a lot of things for you to choose from. Okay, if we say image underscore, and if I just roll through some of the things that are available to you in the magick package, it's really impressive. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to show you a few of them. So that makes it a little fuzzy. That makes it a little larger. This adds a charcoal effect. This, well, this is supposed, well, we won't worry about that now. But there are lots of different options. I forgot to throw an argument in here, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, now let's get into a little bit more advanced things. You can take, because the GIF is frame by frame, you can take the particular GIF and call each frame as you see fit repeatedly, reverse it, repeat one particular part of it. So in this is just hard bracket subsetting, and this just has a length, so there's no comma needed. So it's 44 frames long. So we do it a few times, and then I'm going to repeat the middle where he's getting ready to actually dunk, or the middle towards the end. And then I'm actually going to reverse the whole thing, and it's going to happen all together. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So, okay, repeat, 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 and then reverse it. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, and then reverse it. So that's all based on repeatedly calling which slides I want in order, okay? And then also using a reverse at one point. And then finally, we'll cut all of those, turn this into bronze. Again, you can slow it down. So I started at 1 to 30 at normal speed, and then the last few I slow it down with this each. So you can really focus on LeBron's awesomeness, for example. Okay? So this is a simple set of really cool functions that the magick package has available to you. For your first assignment for this week, I want you to have some fun with it, grab some GIFs, keep it classy, and this is not a week to be overly political in that sense. Do something fun, right? And use all these things available to you, and by all means, investigate all the image manipulations that you can make. All right? See ya.